In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Dragon's Dogma 2. Check my video description for this mod link. Download the Fluffy Mod Manager and download reframework and download the script core. These three are required to make mods work. Right click on the mod manager and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder mod manager. Once done, press enter and open the mod manager and drag and drop all these files inside. Once done, just go back to game folder and open reframework. Drag and drop this input8.dll inside of our game folder. Once done, just go back and open the fluffy mod manager folder, mod manager exe. In choose game, you need to find the game. Select the game and choose game folder. Choose the game install folder. Navigate to game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Select the mod list and go back to downloads. Drag and drop this script core mod inside. Once done, get back and select refresh mod list. Turn on the script core. Now we have successfully installed all basic mods. Now you can install whatever mod you like. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this affinity bar. Download the mod. Drag and drop the mod zip inside this mod manager and select refresh mod list and turn on the mod. We have successfully installed the mod. If you want to uninstall, just select the trash icon. If you want to disable, just turn it off. Launch the game. And now you can enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.